How to fill up form on PDF on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fill up form on PDF on mobile. So first thing, simply head over to your Microsoft 365 application. If you haven't downloaded already, you can simply download it from the Play Store. So you just make sure you have successfully installed it and just open it, and make sure you are also logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So once you're inside here, just open up any of your form, Google form. So since I had already opened this, I will just open it from my directory. So as you can see, there's a pretty little form over here. So as you can see, I can't directly edit it over here. So what I need to do is just tap on this edit button over here and then just click on it. Click on anywhere where I want to edit, like text, and I can just add my name over here, and just like this. You can also change the color from over here. So let me just change my color. You can also change the font size. So once it's done, just click on this done icon over here and you can just edit it wherever you want. And if it's not working correctly, you can again edit it just like this. So since it's not in a color, so as you can see, now it's been working. So you can readjust your position of your text as well. So you can just, after you do all of that, you can simply click on yes to save the file by simply clicking on this three dot icon over here and just click on save as and save it on your required directory. So that is exactly how you can easily fill up forms on PDF on your mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.